Good afternoon, Thursday. How are you doing? Happy Thursday. You're going to use this afternoon to film your own videos about dinosaurs. So let's start with some things we have to take into consideration before we start filming. You can use a cell phone, you can use a tablet to film yourselves, or any device that you have at home. If you cannot do it by yourself, remember, you can ask for help. You can ask your mommy, your daddy, you can ask one of your sisters or brothers, yes, that is at home and will be able to help you. Very good. So, to be able to start filming, you have to imagine you are a paleontologist. So you will have to dress up. You can wear, for example, a hat. You can wear different clothes. You can ask for some glasses and you can wear them. Yes, try to be very creative. If you have a garden at home, you can use it too. And if you have toy dinosaurs, you can include them in your videos. So try to be very creative and include as many things as you can in your video. Very good. You are going to film 2 videos. Video number 1 is my opinion. In this video, you are going to film yourselves reading your opinion. You have it in your green copybook. We did that last Tuesday. And you're going to read using these words. I support the theory about, and you continue reading your own opinion. And then you're going to finish your opinion saying, in my opinion, the explosion after, and you finish your opinion. That's video number 1. Now, let's go to video number 2. Video number 2 is about your dinosaur's description. To read about your dinosaur's description, you have a guide that you copied in your green copybook. So you're going to use that and you're going to read it. And you're going to start by saying, let's imagine you chose the Triceratops. The Triceratops had, and you continue reading all the description about the dinosaur you chose and that we wrote on Wednesday. That's video number 2. So remember, you're going to film 2 videos. 1 is your opinion. Video number 2 is your dinosaur's description. Some things to remember. Your opinion and my dinosaur description activities are both in your green copybook. So you can take your green copybook and you can read them from there. Before filming, you have to practice reading and pronouncing everything in a very good way. Okay, so once you are ready, you can ask for help and you can start filming the 2 videos. If you need help or if you miss part of the explanation, remember you can send me a message and I can answer you with all your questions. I hope you do and you make excellent videos. Be very, very, very creative. Bye.